Hey guys, it's another Fabfitfun box. This is the edit box that I was telling you about. Yeah, I'm just falled out. I've got 2 subscription fall boxes. I got a free box because I signed up for that annual. I renewed from another account. That's how I got the free box. And I ended up ordering an edit box, and I don't know why. Well, I like the fall a lot, and I just couldn't pick everything. And it's cheaper to buy the boxes all put together, so to speak, than it is paying all their individual prices, for add-ons or whatever. So that's why I did it that way. But this is Miss Jackie Russell. Welcome to my channel, and I really appreciate having you all here. I love each and every one of you, and if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing if you like what you see, and hit that notification bell. And a little thumbs up here and there doesn't hurt nothing either. Matter of fact, the thumbs up really helps our algorithm, so that would be very much appreciated. Welcome all my subscriber friends, and let's find out what's in this box. It is their fall, so it's the same box. You can kind of see some of the goodies in there. I do have one add-on, so to speak. When I was in the edit sale, I'll just go ahead and tell you, I decided to go ahead and subscribe to the Lemy Glow Hair, Skin, and Nails Gummies. If you'll recall, in my empties, both my hairdresser and my nail tech, 2 different people, they don't see me, they're not even close together, 50 miles apart, and they both commented. The nail tech commented on my nails and how much they had grown and how healthy they were, and my hair stylist said, "Your hair's growing really fast, this is not the season for that." So I didn't think nothing about it. I just thought, well, I don't know. Then I got home and I was taking my vitamins, and I thought, oh my goodness, I've been taking this Lemy. So Lemy Glow really works, and it helps your skin, and I think some of you's even commented on my glow of my skin. I think it's probably helped my psoriasis a little bit. So it's really good. You take 2 a day. Here's what's in it if you want to see what is in there exactly. And I'm going to take 2 right now so you can see what they look like. They look like this. They taste really good. And I get them for $14.40. If you order this off the Lemy site, $29. I think it's $29. No, it's $30. $30. If you order it off Amazon, $30. Unless they're having a sale. And the best sale I've ever found is 25% off. And that was during Black Friday. So anyway, Fabfitfun's the best place to get this for $14.40 is what I pay. A little bit less than half price. And they taste good. I'm not going to know exactly which one, like the pick that it was. But I'm going to just pick out stuff. I got the Elemis. This is an edit box, so they picked everything for me. I got the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. And, oh, it's not sealed. I thought they'd be sealed. Look at that, they're not sealed. Well, let's get one out. I do like the Korean Beauty. They give you little tongs to use for this. But anyways, I don't know how much this is. I want to say it's a $70 or $80 value. But they're just little pads, and I'm not going to wash my face right now, but I'll just put it on my wrists here, my hand, my palm, or the top of my palm. It's got a nice, clean, fresh scent. And even then, it probably picked up a little bit of dirt off of my hand. Wow, and I thought I had them clean. So anyways, that was that. I like the packaging, and it just says resurfacing, so it's skin pads, and I don't really see anything else on here. I like it. Nice packaging. Oh, look at that. Some of the silver's coming off of the packaging. Wow, wasn't expecting that. Ooh, okay, I'm going to press that back down. That's because I broke the seal. And I hope it was me that broke the seal. I don't know. I didn't even notice that. But it was not. Did you, when you got this, was it open like that? Just open it up and there it is? Let me know. Okay, that was my first item. I think this was choice 1 or 2. I'll write all that and the price along there. The next thing I'm pulling out of here, which might be choice 5 or 6, is Rare Beauty. And this is the Find Comfort Hydrating Body Lotion. And they've got this taped down, so I'm going to open it up this way. Oh, this smells good. Now, do y'all remember that I got the hand lotion and I don't like it? It was too perfumey. This smells really nice and clean. Kind of got a fresh scent to it. This is much more favorable. Oh yeah, I like that. Now, Rare Beauty is supposed to be for sensitive skin because she has, I think, lupus. I'm not sure on that, but I know she's got some kind of skin issues, and she finds comfort, and she also makes all of her products, I think, like vegan-free and healthy. It's got a lot of ingredients in there, and I can't read all of it. It says it's a lightweight, natural infused body lotion that absorbs quickly to hydrate, nourish, and soften with a fresh, non-greasy feel, all while visibly revitalizing skin with a healthy glow. So I would say it did do like a little healthy glow. You can kind of see that there, and it is dry. So okay, I like this. I'll keep this and use it because I like the smell. All right, so I don't know how much it is, but like I said, I'll write it across there. The next thing I'm pulling out of here is Thrive, and I don't know, I might have one of these already. Let me see. I did pick a Thrive, but I don't know if you got to pick different colors. And I don't know what color this is. What color is it? It says it is Stella. So let's take a look. It looks like it's a light color. I think I do have this. So this is another duplicate with Thrive. And I may or may not pass this on because since it's that light color and it's like a pencil I can use on the inside of my eyes, I may use it for that. But you could see it in a giveaway. I'm thinking this runs around $28, but I'm not 100% sure. But it is a great product, and I did enjoy it. It's a, I don't know, what is that supposed to say, brunette eye brightener? I guess, I don't know. Well, you can be blonde and lighten up your eyes too. The next thing I got was a silver necklace. I got the gold one. I picked it in my first customized box. So now I have the silver. So I'll have a choice of using silver or the gold. I like that. I like having choices. And this is a beautiful necklace. I want to say it's around a $60, $70 value. Could be a little more. I'm not sure. But isn't that beautiful? I love that. So very nice to get that and have it in the silver. And then the next thing I'm pulling up, and it might be another duplicate, which if it is, you could see this in a giveaway. It's a mason color, and it is Merit, and I'm almost certain that's the color I've already picked in my first box. And you can see that it's got Merit wrote on there, and I'll double check that to make sure. But like I said, if I've already got this color, I'll pass it on to one of you. So that's another great deal. I love the Merit lipstick. It's very nice. I'm not going to try it on because it could be in a giveaway. The next thing I got was the Bondi Boost HG Heat Protectant Spray. And I have not used Bondi Boost products. A lot of times I give them away. It smells pretty good, so I think I'll probably like it. I should at least give it a try. I am going to see what it feels like on here. I know this isn't my hair, but it'll kind of give me an idea. It seems like it's got like a rosy scent to it. That's not bad. I like it. It's not oily, and I like that too. It says it's a Davidson plum rosemary, so I must be smelling plum and rosemary together with B5. Well, that's going to be very good. Huh. A heat protectant spray. So I'll try that out. And again, I'll have to let y'all know what the prices are. I'll just run them across there. The last item I got is in this bag. And I think this is choice number 2, I think. And it could be 1, but I think it's 2. I don't know, it could be 1. No, I think it's 2. I don't know. Alright guys, let's see what I got. It's come in a purse bag, and it's called 8 Other Reasons. And it's that suede bag. I didn't choose this. I've seen a lot of people get this bag. This is nice. It's got like a, I guess a snap closure. It's got one handle, and it needs to have stuff in it, but it's very nice. It's got 2 slip pockets, which I don't know if y'all can even tell. There's one, and there's one, and on this side it has a zipper pocket, which you can tell, I think, if I bring it up a little bit. There you go, you can see the zipper hanging down. Let me see how long it is. So this is a 8 Other Reason. It's a nice 8 Other Reasons. It's a nice bag. I like the gray color. It'll go with the gray sweater. And I also got that maroon sweatshirt. So I could wear the maroon sweatshirt and tag this along, and I can wear the gray sweater and use the maroon plummy bag. So I guess that's vice versa, using 2 different things, but very nice. And this is like a vegan leather, and like I said, you just close it with this little snap here, and off you go. So it's a nice little handbag. Alright, well that's it. What do you think? I'm going to put this 8 Other Reasons bag back in the bag. I might need to put this back in there. I think they had it down in there. So I wouldn't say like this is a good quality. I'd say it's suede leather feel, but I'm pretty sure it's a faux leather. But I don't know how much it was. So another great bag to add to my collection. It even would go with the shirt I have on right now, because this fades into gray, gradient black, I guess, or grays. So very nice. Let me know what's your favorite. Do you like the 8 Other Reasons gray suede bag? Do you like the Merit lipstick the best? Do you like the Thrive eye pencil the best? Thrive Cosmetics has really been doing a push. Did you like the Rare Beauty body lotion? It really smells good. I do like the way that smells. How about this necklace? That was a great purchase, or a great item to get too. And remember, I bought this in the edit sale, so they picked it all. And I got this Bondi Boost hair heat protectant and the Elemis. So these are a lot of great brands. To me, it would be hard for y'all to pick a favorite. If I'm going to pick a favorite, I'm going to pick this necklace. And the 8 Other Reasons bag. Those are my 2 favorites. You let me know what yours is. I have all of this. I probably already commented. Well, I don't have this. The only duplications I got was this. And I will say this lotion smells really good compared to the other one. This one smells so much better. Man, I like this a lot better. Alright, that's my box. That's my edit box. And don't forget, I did subscribe to the Leamy Glow, and I really like these, so I went ahead and subscribed. You can't get it a better price anywhere else. Be sure and use a blue heart or a red rose for September. If we're getting into October with this, there might be different emojis to use, just so you know. But I'm hoping this will be out before October 1st, so we'll see. But anyways, I just wanted to get it opened and get it out to you guys as soon as possible. And do make note that in October I will have different emojis for my weekly Jubilee giveaway. Now, you can find out what those gifts are on Mass Monday Week 2 and Mass Monday Week 3. It'll show you 1 and 2 and then 3 and 4. And don't forget, if you haven't joined in the collab, the battle with Carol Gardner and the collab that Mary Catherine Loves Cats is hosting with the Temu Holiday Haul collab, be sure and go check that out. And there's a bunch of nice ladies in that as well. So, as for today in my Fabfitfun edit sale box that I got, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.